Alright, so we've seen the new casting, but I know exactly what some of you are thinking. Wait, didn't I already buy this car last year? Well, yes and no. Let's bring out the OG release from last year, the number 80. I'll put the old one here on the right and keep the new one on the left so we can see what's actually going on. First, a quick history lesson for context. The older model on the right, item 872, is from 2023 when Roxy made her debut at VIR. Back then, AO racing was running in the GTD class, hence the number 80. The new one here on the left, item 1052, is from 2024 at Road America. By this time, the team had moved up to GTD Pro, so when Roxy returned to take over for Rexy, she had to wear the team's primary number, 77. Visually, MINI GT nailed the consistency. The pink shade is identical. But if you look closer, the differences are all in the livery updates. Obviously, on the new number 77 on the left, you have the big number change on the doors and hood. But look at the IMSA series decals on the side skirts and the front bumper. They've been updated to match the 2024 season specs compared to the 2023 version on the right. Also, check out the sponsor placement on the rear wing end plates. It's slightly tweaked on the new one. It's subtle, but for us collectors who care about specific race history, these two represent completely different chapters of the team. So do you really need both? I'll be honest, if you just want a Roxy representation on your shelf, one is probably enough. But if you're building the full AO racing grid like I am, the number 77 is definitely a must-have to complete the timeline. If you want to add this new Roxy to your collection, we have it available right now at Weye Model Cars. You can check the link in the description or just visit us at www.weyemodelcars.com. We are a small business run by collectors for collectors. We ship worldwide, and I personally make sure every order is packed with care so it arrives in perfect condition. Thank you so much for watching and supporting the channel. Happy collecting, and I'll see you in the next video.